So welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about this Amstrad inverter AC. So this AC is 1.5 ton and this price is 35,000 rupees including the installation charge. So this AC has a 100% copper condenser and self-cleaning technology is there, and auto restarting is there, and quick cooling, golden fin technologies. It helps you from preventing rust and from rain. The outdoor unit, so outdoor unit has a gold fin technology, so it's really helpful for that. And the operating volts are around like 130 volt to 270 volts, so you don't need to worry about it. The service provider or the installation provider, they will check the voltage in your home and they will do it accordingly, so you don't need to worry about it. And I'm using this AC almost like 4 months right now, and this AC is really impressive with the quick cooling, and it really cools my room around like 5 to 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes it gives a decent amount of cooling, so I'm really happy about it. And for your information, 24 degrees Celsius is a standard temperature that government has decided to every AC. So if you put this in 24 degrees Celsius, it will really cools your room very soon and very quick, and it really helps you to prevent from voltage fluctuations. So 24 degrees Celsius is the recommended temperature that's set to every AC right now. Before that it was 22 degrees Celsius, but all the AC that coming in this year has 24 degrees Celsius. Okay, so it comes with a 10 years warranty. And now comes the installation part. So what you have to do is you have to really bargain to the shop and tell that please take that installation amount in the bill, so you will get that installation amount as a part of discount or a reduction, whatever. So I got this AC for 35,000 rupees including the installation charge, because installation charge really costs you around like 1,000 to 2,000 rupees. Depends upon the outdoor molding and all. So if you want a clamp, if you want a stand for this outdoor part, it costs you around like 800 to 1,000 rupees. So you have to really talk and bargain the installation amount. So this is the remote of this AC. So it has a neon switches, and the blue switch is a power on power off button. So you can see all the customer care number and everything in the behind, and these switches really glow in the night. And one thing I really like in this remote is it has a display. I mean, there is a light, there is a very dim light, so it really helps you in the night time, because some people wake up and turn on the light and turn off the AC, or reduce the temperature or increase the temperature in the night time. So you don't need to do that, because the remote has a light in it, and this is really a good feature. So I really like this remote. So overall the performance is really good, because I'm using it almost like 4 months and I'm roughly using it, and the whole night it will be turned on and the next morning only I turn off the AC. So I don't have any complaints at all. So it really works well, and it gives a decent amount of cooling. So really you can go for it, and it's really good for this price, because you will get 1.5 ton inverter AC for 35,000 rupees. So you can go for it, and hope you like this channel, and please do comment, please subscribe and click on the bell button. So I will reply to all the comments, and thank you so much for watching this. Have a good day.